off my lawn!
Hi, from You So Sweet Kitchen. I've got a couple of rusty pots here that we're going to fix up. And I got these from a secondhand store, and I'm going to let you guys kind of watch me restore these because I really don't want to cook anything in them right now. So, come along. Okay, these are scrubbed and dry. So now I'm going to take Crisco, your best friend, with cast iron. Basically, you want to get some on a paper towel. And you want to season, you want to basically rub this all over your pan. The inside, the edges, the outside, everywhere you want to rub this on. So I'm gonna go through and I'm going to get all of these oiled up very, very nicely all over. And I'll meet you back here in 5 minutes because I'm tired. All right, so I have, if you will, lovingly put Crisco on my pans. And I'm actually going to place them upside down on a sheet pan, a cookie sheet, something like that. I have my oven at 350, and I'm going to toss this baby in here for an hour. It's going to bake for an hour, and then we're going to turn the oven off and let it cool in the oven and then take it out. Good morning from You So Silly Farm. How are you today? All right, so yesterday I did a, well, same day for you, but I did a restoration on some cast iron. Holy moly, look how beautiful those turned out. The beforehand, I won't lie, myself, I was like, I don't know if these are gonna be able to be restored. They were pretty bad. I cannot believe how wonderful these guys came out. I'm so super stoked, excited. I am going to be using these for our upcoming camping trip, and we'll take you guys with us and show you all the fun stuff there and how to use these on the fire.
All right, back to some primitive breakfast cooking here. It's gonna be pancakes over the open fire. Sorry for my sniffling, but I've had my face down in the...
You said that already.
I know, but I'm just saying it again because I'm sniffling on camera, all right? I'm sniffling on film. I'm sending out a message. I'm sniffling Morse code, all right? Looks like it's plenty hot, babe.
Okay, I'm coming.
I don't know if I got maybe I got too much of that in there.
No, it's fine.
No, it's okay. All right. So pancakes, primitive cooking. There's Mrs. H, AKA the cooking queen.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Stay back, man.
No, baby, I know.
It's hot.
Yes, you're hungry. Oh, I got too close. Oh, that smoke does get you.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
I love these cast irons because not only is it just about, sorry, smoke. They're pretty much indestructible, quite honestly. And they really radiate the heat well, I feel like. Some pans you get and they just are hot in the middle, and I just feel like it radiates heat. So we'll see how pancakes do. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've done pancakes on the
Them suckers are ready to
fire.
flip.
Well, and we'll see how we do. We should have probably scrubbed it a little bit better, but we'll see. Woo. Whoop, missed that one. Whoop, and I'm flopping. I can't see, my eyes are watering.
Mm-hmm. First couple ones are a test.
Well, and they'll season it too. I hate to say it, but sometimes there's some that are a little bit of a. What does it mean when you toss one just for the team?
Yeah.
Sacrificial. We have a couple of sacrificial pancakes. Although I will say that the Sasquatch will probably eat them. He's doing a really good job of holding the camera right now.
I'm not the
Do you wanna
Sasquatch.
get
I'm the
me a plate
Sasquatch
over there,
watcher.
Sissy?
Yeah.
Can you get me a plate? Just give me one plate and you can set it right here on this little log. Can you set it right there on top of that little log? There you go. Thank you.
Are these eggs?
That's sad. They're pancakes.
Look at that hair.
Don't
Woo,
touch it, it's hot,
girl.
baby, okay?
Been living in the woods for 3 days.
Alright, let's get a lot of...
So I was saying, do you need me to get some of that out, or are you okay?
No. We needs to stay in there.
All right.
Did you see how bad they stuck already?
Yeah.
Mom, is that syrup?
No, baby, it's pancakes, Sweet Bear. I know this doesn't look like Mama's home pancakes, but we're doing the best we can on a fire. At
Alright.
home, she gets Paw Patrol shaped pancakes. So she doesn't understand the actual round.
Mom, I want Paw Patrol
I
pancakes.
cannot do Paw Patrol pancakes here on the fire. I'm sorry.
All right, we will check back in just a bit here at the You So Silly
Campsite.
Farmstead campsite. You So Silly Campsite. That's a better name.
There you go. Hello, You So Silly Farmsteaders. Okay, so we showed you how to clean the rust off the skillets and season them. We're at our campsite and we've used them, and our buddy Chris here has taken some of the coals and the burnt wood there, if you want to show them, and you guys can watch him actually clean these cast irons without using soap, because you really don't want to use soap on a cast iron at all ever. And this is activated charcoal, and I'm actually going to save this for future references, future use, because we can use that in all kinds of things. So we're going to keep that, and he's going to do the next one, and you guys can watch.
Just straight out of the fire.
And obviously, if you're going to do this, you would want to use really, really nice gloves.
Yes.
Yes, we are using the Expert Grill gloves from Walmart. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with, but I would definitely use some heavy-duty ones. If you're going to do this.
And highly recommend when you get through with this, put a fresh coat of oil on it, and you can, Dan, you can show them the big skillet that we've already cleaned the same way and then oiled it, and it's ready to go.
All right, and we'll be right back. There's the one that he just cleaned, and it's re-seasoned and ready to roll.
All right, and then we'll just dump the ashes out and take a towel and paper towel and wipe out the ash, and then put a little thin coat of oil on it and heat it back up just a little bit, and we'll be good to go.
Is the teenager alive?
Marshall, are you alive?
I don't think so.
I think he's dead.
The stink-
he is dead.
All right, let's not pester him, okay?
He's dead.
He is starting to stank.
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay.
No, he's alive. He's dead. He's sleeping. He's
Oh,
dead.
okay, sleeping. Okay,
He's dead. He's sleeping.
he's sleeping.
What's up, guys?
We'll
It's
leave him.
Ashton here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications.